Hey everyone! Today we're waging war on mosquitoes. If you're anything like me, then just the of mosquitoes is enough to make you start itching. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you some of my favorite, all-natural, totally DIY ways to fight back against these blood-sucking fiends and reclaim your backyard. Step 1 in our mosquito eviction plan is to cut off their housing development program. Mosquitoes are like the real estate developers of the insect world. If there's a puddle, a bird bath, even a bottle cap with a little rainwater, they see a prime condo opportunity for their little mosquito babies. They don't need much, just a tablespoon of the stuff can be a full-blown mosquito nursery. So first things first, do a sweep of your yard. Look for anything that can collect water. And don't forget those sneaky spots. Clogged gutters, tarps, even those upside-down toys your kids leave out. Once you've found those mosquito breeding grounds, dump out any standing water and keep those areas dry. Now that we've evicted those mosquitoes, let's make sure they don't come back. We're going to fight back with plants that mosquitoes absolutely hate. Some of our secret weapons include citronella, lemongrass, lavender, and marigolds. These beauties not only look and smell amazing to us, but to mosquitoes they reek. So, get planting. Add these mosquito-repelling superstars around your yard. It's a natural, beautiful, and effective way to send those mosquitoes packing. Next, we're going to mix up our own mosquito repellent spray. For this recipe, you'll need a spray bottle, some water, and essential oils. Mosquitoes hate certain scents, and essential oils pack a powerful punch. Think tea tree oil, eucalyptus, peppermint, or lemongrass. Just add a few drops of each oil to your spray bottle filled with water, give it a good shake, and voila! You've got yourself an all-natural mosquito repellent. Next up, we're going on the offensive with mosquito traps. This trap is seriously ingenious because it uses the mosquito's own instincts against them. We're going to use a classic bait that mosquitoes can't resist: sugar. But here's the catch, we're going to mix that sugar with yeast. When you combine these two ingredients with water, they create carbon dioxide, which is like a siren song to mosquitoes. So we're going to take a plastic bottle, cut off the top, flip it upside down, and create a funnel. Pour in our sugary yeast concoction and boom, mosquitoes are lured in and can't get out. Sometimes the best defense is a good barrier, and that's where mosquito nets and screens come in. They're not glamorous, but they are super effective, especially if you want to enjoy your evenings outdoors without getting eaten alive. Even simple mosquito nets hung around your patio furniture or over your dining area can make a world of difference. And don't forget about your windows. Make sure your screens are in good repair and seal up any gaps or holes. Because remember, mosquitoes are tiny, they'll find any excuse to sneak in and feast on us. Our final tip for banishing those bloodsuckers is all about lighting. Mosquitoes are pretty picky when it comes to lighting. They're drawn to bright lights, especially those that emit a lot of blue light. But here's the good news. There's a simple swap you can make to deter them: yellow bug lights. These emit a different light spectrum that's way less attractive to mosquitoes, so they're less likely to swarm your porch parties. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce the number of mosquitoes around your home. Stay mosquito-free, and I'll see you next time. Please like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Your support helps us create more great content.